Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to chemicalguys Detail Garage. Today I have the TORQX Random Orbital Polisher Kit, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to polish out any type of car using this kit. Let's get started. Whenever your TORQX Random Orbital Polisher Kit is delivered, you'll be receiving a TORQX unit with a 5-inch bagging plate attached to it. Also, we'll be giving you 3 different types of pads: the orange medium duty heavy cutting pad, the white light polishing pad, and the black finishing pad to spread your sealants and waxes. To diminish any scratches and swirls, we will also be supplying you with the whole entire V-line in 4-ounce bottles. Remember, whenever you are polishing out a surface of a vehicle, we recommend starting off with the least aggressive polish, then work your way down if needed. So let's get started on this 2010 Camaro, where I diminish all the scratches and swirls from the vehicle. Let's get started. So we just made our way to the back of the trunk of the Camaro, and now it is time to start polishing. But before polishing, we recommend using the ultra bright to inspect the paint so it could tell you exactly what polish to use or what compound. So you just turn it on and you just want to pass the light over it, and this is going to expose any scratches and swirls the paint might have. I have 2 different types of tape lines because I want to show you guys that this kit can allow you to do either a 1-step polish, a 2-step polish, or even a 3-step polish. But in this video, I will be showing you guys a controlled area where I don't polish it whatsoever, a 1-step and a 2-step polish for the person that wants the perfect diminishing of all scratches and swirls. So I'll put my light on my back pocket. And now, to begin polishing, I'm going to start off with the orange medium duty heavy cutting pad because this Camaro does have severe scratches and swirls. But in the middle section, I'll be showing you guys that I'll just be doing a 1-step. This is for anybody that wants to get in and get out using V36. So the pad is actually a 5.5-inch pad. The reason behind it is because we want to give you guys that extra lip around the bagging plate and the pad. So whenever you're working on a curved area or an edge, the bagging plate will not be smacking the paint. So now I'll go ahead and get V36. V36 is going to be the light cutting polish. V38 is the final polish. So we always recommend starting off with V36. Open up the spout, and now I'll be applying 5 dime-sized dots to my pad. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And after that, whenever you already have the polish applied on your pad, you'll go to the area you'll be working on, and you'll just be blotching out the product. This is gonna allow you to get an even spread and not have splatter everywhere. So just blotch it out. And then on the lowest speed setting, which is speed setting 1, you'll turn on the machine and just spread it out. You'll apply the machine onto the paint, you'll turn it on, and you'll just spread it out. So now that the product has been spread out, you're going to bump it up to speed setting 6. To work in the product, break it down till it turns clear or translucent so you could get a true cut. So same exact thing, put the pad and machine on the paint, you'll turn it on, work it in linear motion side to side, and whenever you're coming back, say for example I go this way, and whenever I'm coming back, I'm actually going to overlap my previous pass just so I could get an even coverage around the whole entire paint and I don't miss any spots. So machine on paint, turn it on, and work side to side till it turns clear or translucent. So I'll turn off the machine, I'll get a clean microfiber towel and wipe off the residue. So now that I'm buffing off V36 off the paint, I see that V36 did an amazing job just to get in, get out. It gave me clarity, it gave me extra depth on the paint, but now I want something more on the perfection side. I want nothing on the paint, no scratches or swirls. So this is why I'll be moving on to that side to show you guys a 2-step polish where I use V34 and then I refine it with V38. So now we're going to be working on this side of the trunk, and this trunk is going to take a 2-step polish. It is perfectly fine to do a 2-step polish. This is for anybody that has time to sit down and polish it out and get all the scratches and swirls out of the vehicle. If you do have a vehicle with very, very light scratches and swirls, the one-step polish will be perfect for you. So in this occasion, I'll be using V34 hybrid compound. V34 hybrid compound is gonna diminish more heavier scratches that the paint might have. So before using it, shake up the product, same exact thing. And now you go to your polishing pad and you'll apply 5 dime size drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now that the product has been applied onto the pad, I'll do the same exact thing I did with V36. I'll go to the area, I'll blotch it out, just so we get an even cut. So whenever you are doing a 2-step polish or even a 3-step polish, we recommend refining it, because the heavier the compound it is going to remove heavier scratches, and you want a finer polish to bring out that luster and shine in your paint. Then you'll turn on to speed setting 1 and just spread it out. Now that the product has been spread out, you're gonna bump it up to speed setting 6, and you're gonna work in the product till it turns clear or translucent. So now that I just finished working in the product into the paint, it's time to buff it off. I'll get a clean microfiber towel, buff off the product side to side. Never go in circles because you do not want to install any more scratches or swirls into the paint. Side to side. And now it is time to refine the finish. So I'll be switching up pads from my orange pad to my white pad. So I'll unattach it, put my pad to the side. I'll go to my white light polishing pad and attach it. And then I'll refine it using V38. Yes, that is perfectly fine if I go from V34 to V38. If you want to incorporate V36 after, that is more than fine. But in this occasion, I just want to refine it using V38. So shake up the product. And now I'll be applying 5 dots onto my pad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is why I personally love this kit. This kit virtually works on any color car, any type of car. If it's blue, black, orange, you'll get the scratches out of the surface of paint. So same exact thing, you'll blotch it out onto the area. And V38 has a very, very fine cut that is going to bring out the shine on the surface of the paint and give it the ultra depth you want. So turn it back on to speed setting 1. After it's been spread out, you'll bump it up to speed setting 6, even though it's a final polish, and you'll be working it in. So now I just finished working in the product into the paint. I'll put my machine to the side and I'll get a clean microfiber towel. Yes, I know I already used this towel, so I'll invert it just so I have a clean side to work with. Fold it in 4s, and I'll buff off the product side to side. And I already can see V38 gave me more of a depth finish to it. It refined the compound that V34 left behind. Wow, that is a huge difference just from a single polish to a 2-step. And whenever it comes to using the black finishing pad, we also supply it in your kit. The black finishing pad can be used to spread out any waxes and sealants. Just use the TORQX on speed setting 1, spread it out, come back and buff it off, and that is it. So guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment, share, and we'll see you guys next time right here at the chemicalguys Detail Garage.